All right, guys, so I want to talk a little bit about the T-Man Performance 131 big bore kit. I have two other videos in our social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, that talks about this kit and goes into more details. So right now I just want to do a very fast overview. One thing I do recommend for you that are doing this at home or whatever the case is, all this information that's right there, all that right there is very important to keep all this literature and save it for the future. And for some reason you need to service the cylinders or the pistons later, the rings, you have all that information that's going to help you replace all those parts. So just want to kind of give you a recommendation there. So one thing I want to start off is with the cylinders. So they get some stock cylinders, they bore it out, put new sleeves. One thing I like, that little square part right there, and that keeps the cylinder sleeve from turning or spinning under pressure. You can see where the sleeve itself up in the top portion is pretty wide, pretty thick, and then if we turn it around at the bottom, you can see where the sleeve is very thick there. Then it's machined down to fit your case spigot there. Very, very high quality. Now another thing is, it's in the instructions that make sure you rewash and re-clean these cylinders. It's very important. It's going to help you with the ring seal and longevity of the cylinder and ring surface, so it's very important you do that. Another thing is I want to talk about the piston. So this piston is made by KB Pistons. Real nice piston design. That's one thing I like about T-Man's kits. I really like their piston designs. So if we look at it here at the bottom where the wrist pin goes, the wrist pin tower is here. They're wider, which is going to give you more stability from the piston rocking side to side. So it keeps everything nice and straight going up and down in center with your bore. It's notched here for the clearance of the other cylinder piston. And so when it goes down to the lowest part of the stroke, it gives you that clearance right there. So also is, if we look at the piston from the top view here, which is the bottom portion of the piston, you can see where it doesn't have a big cylinder wall. So that also helps out with less heat, less drag. Of course, less drag, more horsepower, and helps you with, most important, less heat as well. This coating right here helps you with the heat. Now, we did contact Brandon over there and told him that we had a certain CC chamber and we needed a certain compression ratio. So at this point, we're going to run a 12-to-1 compression ratio. So they decked or machined the dome to give us a compression ratio that we're looking for. So that is an additional cost, but it's nice for them to do it there because it already comes ready for you to install. So that's something you need to take in consideration as well. Very important. I like this part right here where they give you all the specs. They give you the ring in gap, all that stuff that needs to get done, and the bore specs on torqued and non-torqued. I think that's very important. So for some of you guys that want to check, make sure that your cylinder sleeve is square and not square, but you know, it's correct all the way around. It's very, very important you guys check that out, and that definitely helps you out with ring seal and blow by and all that other stuff. They do have the spiral type wrist pin clips, and here are the rings. They're from Total Seal. So this would be the second groove. See if I can get this in focus. And here is the top groove. And your scrapers. So I just wanted to show you this video real quick, show you the big board kit is going to go on Henry's motorcycle. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that build. They'll be coming out shortly. Guys, once again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to give us a call or call the people over there at Performance. Extremely knowledgeable. So guys, thanks for watching.